Good day, dear students. I am Dr. A. Sairam, MCom, MPhil, PhD, UGC, NET in Commerce, MBA Finance, Post-Graduation Diploma in Financial Management and ICAA Finance. Welcome to my channel, Professor Guru Kalvi. This channel is a place where you can find classes for all commerce-related subjects. Do subscribe, like, and share the video. Let us now get into today's lesson. Today we will be looking at the Corporate Accounting Semester 2 MCom program topics that we will be covering in upcoming videos. Topics: Unit 1, Issue of shares and final accounts of company. In case of issue of shares, unlike UG, we will be getting much deeper understanding of what is employee stock option schemes. Then we will be looking at sweat equity shares, and we will be trying to understand theoretically what is the book building process, how it happens, and we will be looking at buyback of shares, conversion of debentures into shares. As we all know, there are various types of debentures. One among them is convertible debenture, where these debentures, after the expiry of a certain period of time, can be converted into shares. So we will be looking at it both theoretically, and we will be solving certain problems, most important problems on them. Then we come to the most important area of the syllabus, which is final accounts of companies as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013 and the managerial remuneration. Dear students, you would have come across this particular aspect in your UG course, but at the same time, in case of PG, we will be getting much deeper insight on how the final accounts is prepared, and at the same time how managerial remuneration plays an important role in determining the profitability of the organization. Unit 2, Insurance Company Accounting. As we discussed in the Unit 1, Unit 2 is also a topic which we have come across in our UG. Insurance company accounts, types of insurance. Then we will be coming across final accounts of life assurance companies, where we will be looking at the revenue account. Then we will be looking at the funds and how balance sheet is prepared. Then we will be looking at ascertainment of profit, valuation balance sheets, which is most important in this particular unit. Then final accounts of fire, marine and miscellaneous insurance companies. So dear students, in this particular topic, which is a vast one, we will be covering many aspects of insurance and its maintenance of accounts. Especially we will be concentrating more on life assurance, and where we will be further understand the maintenance of accounts of other kinds of insurance such as fire, marine and other miscellaneous insurance companies. So this particular unit will be an intriguing one and more interesting one. In a sense, we will have to learn a lot, we will have to understand a lot. So we will be looking at more problems, and we will be looking at some theoretical aspects where we need concentrations. In unit number 3, we will be looking at consolidation of financial statements, As far as consolidation of financial statement, we talk about how holding company and subsidiary company accounts are consolidated, how intercompany transactions are consolidated, how a parent company accounts is consolidated with its sister concern, and how a group of companies accounts is consolidated. Isn't it? It is very interesting to hear it, at least, right? So it will be more interesting to study this particular unit, where we will be looking at consolidated finance statement as per accounting standard number 1, that is 21, consolidated profit and loss account, and we come across the most favorite topic of minority interest and cost of control. So these two play a very important role as far as consolidation of finance accounts is concerned. Then we have capital reserve, intercompany holdings, preparation of consolidated balance sheet, which is the final one. And dear students, this unit is most important from exam point of view, where we will be coming across problems which are sure to appear in our part C, part B and part A. So this particular unit carries more important. So I would like to ask everyone to concentrate more on this particular unit. In our videos, we will be looking at an array of problems, where we will try to solve problems with exam point of view, and at the same time those problems will get the required knowledge that is desired out of the study. Then we have unit number 4, contemporary accounting methods, where we come across the accounting of price level changes, which is a very interesting topic, where we talk about the inflation, deflation, and we talk about this payback period, the CCV method, CPV method. So these topics are so important, and at the same time they are more interesting to learn. And as far as exam point of view, this particular unit is one of the most important one, where we are sure to get part C, part B questions from this particular topic. So we will be looking at problems that will concentrate more on price level changes. Then we have social responsibility accounting, and we have human resource accounting and forensic accounting, where we will be dwelling with more theoretical aspect, and at the same time we will be looking at some important problems relating to social responsibility accounting and human resource accounting. See, the human resource accounting is one which talks about how we spend more to enrich the human resource in the organization, how we have spent well to ensure that the human resource in the organization is developed, where we have employee welfare expenses, we have this employee development expenses. So these kind of things will appear, and accounting of these particular aspects will be dealt with in this particular unit. Finally, we have unit number 5, where we will be coming across financial reporting. As far as financial reporting is concerned, we will be concentrating more on reporting of certain important aspects of accounting standard number 5, accounting standard number 10, accounting standard number 19 and 20, where we will be discussing on the characters and objectives of accounting, reporting of accounting. Then we will be coming across the most happening topic right now, which is CSR, that is corporate social responsibility, where we will try to understand the meaning of CSR, then key provisions of CSR Act, key provisions of Companies Act 2013, accounting of CSR expenses, and the reporting of CSR, which is most important these days with the advent of this concept of corporate social responsibility. It is paramount on the part of the accountant to ensure that CSR expenses are well accounted and well documented, they are well classified, to ensure the reduction of fraud. Then we have presentation and disclosure in the financial statements of CSR expenses. So dear students, the fifth unit is more about theoretical aspects, and we have certain practical aspects of some problems that we will be looking at on how CSR accounting is maintained. This particular unit is more relevant these days, and we can expect more questions even in exams relating to corporate social responsibility and Indian accounting standards that we will be discussing in this particular topic. So dear students, it was a happy occasion for me to share my thoughts on the topics that we will be discussing for PG level corporate accounting subject. My Guru's grace and presence will bring about more knowledge in you all. Thank you for this opportunity. We will meet back in next video. Thank you.